So this is our chocolate vegan cake recipe. This is how the batter looks. This is how it looks after it's baked. Nice, moist, and fluffy, just like a basic regular chocolate cake. And who knew that this strawberry filling was vegan friendly? Yes, look at the ingredients. And this is how it looks after it's baked and iced. We're going to add some gold foil to it. Add the sprinkles. We have fresh roses. Absolutely just gorgeous. Yeah, just a really pretty cake with fresh roses. There goes the gold candles. It was just absolutely beautiful. I might leave the recipe in the next video, so check that out, or might leave it at the bottom of the link. Check that out. Let me know what you guys think, if I should do more videos like this. And of course, we have the inside. Look how gorgeous that look. Beautiful. Leave comment, like, and subscribe.